Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel and new video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add products to your Wix store and your Wix website. It's very easy to do. Before I get into that, I'm just going to remind you guys, I have a complete Wix playlist in my channel, make sure to go and check out that. Anyway, let's add products to Wix website. From left side of your website dashboard, go to My Business tab. From here you can manage products, payments, members area, and Wix chat. So, we are going to manage products, click on. And do manage on your products and categories. For adding new products, click on that. Then you will see an option here to add products, so we are going to click on add new products, and then we will open up to the adding product page. And here we have two options, add physical products and digital files, so, we are adding physical products, click on. It takes us on adding product pages. Put the title and your product's name, then go ahead and add your product's image. So, click on add images, then upload your product image from your media, because I don't sell any products yet. And we are going to upload image from Wix Media. You can find products by browsing, and searching. So I search for t-shirt, here are many t-shirt, just choose one and go add to page. Then go ahead, write a short description about your products. Then add additional informations, if you think it's necessary. Then here you can put the price of products that you are selling, then turn on sale the products. And now you are able to give discount for your customers in this product. Show price per unit, you can turn on and turn off it. Then go ahead put custom text, then for product options, you can add different options. Like different color material and different size, for this product we give size M, black and pink color. Don't worry if you did something wrong, or changed your mind, go edit options, and do edit. Then, let's add another options, do all the same process you just did. Last option is choose category for your product. It's depend of what products you just uploaded to your store, choose the category and go save your changes. Here is the t-shirt we just uploaded in stock with 10% discount. If you need to delete any product for your stock, it's very easy. Select your product, and click on 3 dots, then click delete. If you have product as video not as image, you can upload and do the same. You just uploaded image of product. Process is the same as we just did. I'm not going upload the video. It's enough that you know in Wix you can upload video of your products also.